faces just stop and stare, catching all eyes. So I hold you close, no matter where you go, through all the rain and snow, be close behind. Threads won't come undone if you're worn down. Carry you holes in my shoes, walking in lines we drew. You said you're just passing through. 6 years ago, so I hold on. These threads won't come undone if you hold down. Carry you. So I hold on. These threads won't come undone if you hold down. Carry you home. Clothes on my back, it's yours if it's all I have. When the wind is from your day and tries to crowd out all your peace, let my voice sweep you away as you're drifting off to sleep. And I say, love, I'll be your lullaby. And I say, love, I'll be your lullaby. When you're feeling all alone and my arms aren't there to hold you, and every step away from home seems like it's further than the last. It ain't always gonna be easy, it ain't always gonna be hard. Let these notes and melodies be with you wherever you are. And I say, love, I'll be your lullaby. And I say, love, I'll be your lullaby. And I sing love, so baby you can close your eyes. I say love, I'll be your lullaby. Let your mind take you to the sweetest dreams. Love, I'll be your lover. I say love,
頼も
I'll be your lover. I sing love, so baby you can close your eyes. I say love, I'll be your lover.
Open wide, finally start to see colors of fall reflected by big yellow taxis in the silvery moon. Kaleidoscope lights, even the streets look happy. So why do I always feel blue? Colors of spring grow through the cracks in the concrete, where the sunlight cuts through kaleidoscope trees. The skyline is whispering good morning. So why do I always feel blue? Discover every shade of colors of me, glowing in wide open spaces, to paint something new. Kaleidoscope piece up to me to illustrate it.